Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Chevy, please help me click that subscribe button and the bell notification so every time I have new video you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Chevy Impala 2.5. Right now the current code is P16CF. That's for the intake rocker arm solenoid right there. Now I bought this part OEM from Chevy. This is the part number. I believe it's around $200. And when I picked it up from the dealer, the weird thing is it says made in China. So there's 3 bolts holding onto it, 1, 2, and 3. And there's 1 connector in the back. And before you guys replace the solenoid, make sure you guys change your oil. Well, you can change it before or after you change the part. Make sure you change it out with the good oil. So I took out the air tubes right here. That's 1 bolt holding onto it, 2 clamps on each end. Took out the other air tube, and then after you get that, you're gonna get to this tube. Well, this tube is gonna be connected to the one on the bottom, on this one right here. You're gonna have to it sits like this, and then you're gonna press on this tab right here. Press on this tab, pull back at the same time. These 2 you're gonna do at the same time, pull back, and then you got 1 on this side too. You're gonna press on the tab, pull back, and then once you take that out, you're gonna get to the connector. Press the red lock tab back, press down and pull. Take out the 3 bolts, and then you can take the whole solenoid out. You can see I took the old one out. The little piece that comes off was this little thing right here that fell out, but no worries, the new one comes with it too. You don't have to swap anything over. I'm gonna reuse the metal gasket. This is metal, still in good shape. You guys can buy a new one, but this one's still in good shape, so I'm gonna reuse it. For the back of the valve cover, make sure you guys clean the surface. Wipe down the oil too, very dirty. I'm gonna change it after I change out the part, but wipe it down, put the new part in. I'm changing out the oil. The filter is located right next to the exhaust, and the drain bolt is right here in the back of the pan, and that's the 15 millimeter. I put my new filter and then tighten down the drain bolt, wipe the mess around it. So I got everything put back, tighten down the clamps. When you put the air box back, you're gonna put the hose in first, snap it into the hose, and then line it up. Tighten down your bolt right here. And this takes 520, and it takes 5 quart exact. You can see old oil. So I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil. So right now I have the key on. You're just gonna toggle through the menu like this. So oil is at 62% right now. I'm gonna have key off, and then when I key on, I'm gonna step on the gas 3 times, and you're gonna see it reset. So key on, gas 3 times, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Key off, key on again. Now I'm gonna reset the I'm gonna clear the code. So I'm gonna show you the code again. There's the code. Now I'm gonna clear it. Clear code. That's it. Key off. Turn the car back on. And that's it, guys. So this very easy problem to fix. If you guys new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys have any comment, question, ask me anything you want to ask me, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But that is it for this video, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.